You may have experienced this, where you're learning a new framework, language, or tech stack, and you're pretty excited, so you search online for a tutorial to get started. You see this link and you click on it. Then you try the tutorial and watch the video, just to realize it does not work. So you're figuring out, why does it not work? Maybe after a few hours of Googling, which most programmers do, you realize that the tutorial is outdated. And now you start Googling a tutorial that's pretty recent and find what you wanted. Does this happen to you? Well, it happens to me a lot, which I'm used to it by now. However, now I'm creating videos to help people to learn programming, and I know the rate of change is pretty fast in this day of age. There might be breaking changes, new features, or deprecated or features that just does not work, and suddenly your app does not work at all. So I came up with something, and hopefully others could follow. It is to start removing any tutorials and videos that are outdated, which I'm going to do right now. So currently Flutterweb Firestore CRUD video has the highest views in my YouTube channel, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to unlist it. So nobody can see it, but I'm able to find it. And let's save this. And now it's unlisted and nobody can see this video. So does the views matter? It does when you want to make money from YouTube. But I believe that this change will help people to not have experienced what I have experienced or many developers have experienced. Outdated video tutorials, articles, documentation. And people now are able to find tutorials that's up to date. And one thing that I've done is to create an updated tutorial so that people are able to see how to implement, for example, Flutterweb Firestore, and this will help them to create their app without them figuring out why does this app does not work and why this tutorial does not work. Alright, that's it. Thank you for listening. Hope you guys enjoy it. Goodbye.